Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a science experiment, and my grandmother got this for me, so we're going to get to doing it.
Alright, start off. What do we got here? The instructions need baking soda, citric acid, a beaker. It came with all this stuff. Give me 1 second to flip this camera around.
Okay guys, so
if you want to get this, we got this off
Amazon. So if you think this is cool and you want to get it, you just have to go onto Amazon and then look for science experiment volcano set, and
it's called Dynamo Lab.
Yeah, just look for Dynamo Lab, or you could do something else to try to get it.
All right.
So
we got
and then you have it.
Then they have it.
Okay, so we're done.
So we're gonna start with the instructions here. It says put your volcano on a plate. Volcano on a plate? Check.
Yeah, we already have it on the plate. Before the video right here, we did that, so.
Now it says take 2 large spoonfuls of baking soda and put it in the crater hole. Alright, Jackson.
I'm gonna do this, guys.
That's nice. Put it in that top hole right there. Nice.
Awesome,
That's 1.
guys.
Yeah, do another little half one since kind of drop some there. Alright, so we have 2 scoops of baking soda.
Yep.
Now we need 1 large scoop of citric acid. Alright, Jackson, take the large scoop.
Okay, large scoop coming in.
Put it right on top of there.
Oops, I'm gonna take 1 more.
Take a little bit more.
As I did, I'll miss a little bit.
Alright, now it says,
Guys, at the end of this video, this is gonna be awesome.
mix it up inside there. It says you have to mix the baking soda and the citric acid. Oops,
whoopsie.
Citric acid fell down.
It's falling.
Mix it up real good. Alright. Then it says to take our 15 milliliters of water.
I'm gonna dump
we
that
have in
in.
this beaker.
Guys,
And pour it in the water hole, and then that's going to be the...
I'm easily gonna pour it in here.
pour it in the hole, and it's going to be our explosion.
Oh!
Oh, look at it go!
Oh my god! We have to get some more water. I'm gonna go get some more water. I need to make it up to 20. Guys, I'm gonna go get some more water. That was... Okay, for some reason, now it asks us to put dish soap in here.
So we reset the volcano, we put our baking soda back in, and we put our citric acid back in there. And
yep. So
now we just took the water, add a little bit of dish soap like it told us to on this one.
okay,
And
now.
we're going to see what happens differently. I'll take you guys closer.
Oh!
Oh, it's foaming soap. It's exploding with all the soap. Look at it, it's going all over the place.
Thank goodness we have a plate, guys.
It smells pretty good.
Yeah, it does smell pretty good. Guys, it smells pretty good. Oh, it's shredding off the side. Okay, guys. I think it's time to wrap it up for this video, the volcano video. If you like this, hit that subscribe button down below.
And throw us a like, and
We'll see you guys next time.
We'll definitely be back to do some more science experiments, but that's it for the volcano today.
Okay, so we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.